couldn't breathe through my nose. Snored all the time when I went to sleep. Laid down, immediately everything stopped up. I was using Sinus every day, and finally losing the ability to even push air out of this left nostril. At that point, I came in to see him. They corrected the deviated septum, and then they removed a number of polyps, and they enlarged the openings between some of the cavities. No, they're great. I mean, it's really great service. Well, my wife says I don't make any noise at all at night anymore, and I don't use any Sinex or anything anymore. I mean, it got worse and worse and worse. I didn't realize how bad it was until after the surgery fixed everything. My breathing's perfect now, so